So there's two area formulas. One of them is area equals 1/2 A times B times the sine of angle C. So let me be clear here that A stands for area of a triangle, is equal to 1/2 A times B times the sine of angle C. And then the other formula to find the area, let me be clear here too. So this is area of a triangle, is this formula right here. It's called Heron's formula. And I remember once I had a student who came to me after they had taken my class in pre-calculus. They came to me, they said, you know, we were trying to figure out how to find the area. He and another teacher were trying to figure out how to find the area of a triangle. It was on some test. I don't know if it was on the SAT or if it was on some other math exam that he was taking, but he had totally forgotten this formula. Completely forgotten it. And it's really a helpful formula because all you need to know is the 3 side lengths. So you can go in your backyard, map out a triangle. If you know the 3 side lengths of a triangle, you can find the area. Do you know how much time and energy this could save you when you're going to buy sod or grass seed or rock for a triangular area, soil for a triangular area of land that you're going to be putting a little garden in? I mean, this could save you so much. All you have to do is measure your 3 side lengths and boom, throw it into Heron's formula. So what is Heron's formula? Heron's formula is the area is equal to the square root of S times the S minus A times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. And S, you're thinking, what the heck is S? Well, S is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. And semi means the perimeter cut in half. So you take the perimeter, cut in half, you get that value. A, B, and C are side lengths. So are the side lengths. So let's put this to work. We want to find the area of a triangle given the side lengths are 7 feet, 12 feet, and 15 feet. Step 1, find the semi-perimeter. So find S. Well, S is going to equal the perimeter divided by 2. So 7 plus 12 plus 15 divided by 2. 27 plus 7 is 34. 34 divided by 2 is 17. S is equal to 17. Plug your values in, plug the values into Heron's formula. Heron's formula. So Heron's formula says A equals the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Now, sometimes I just put this right into my calculator. I store 17 as S, or I put 17 in and I don't even do the computations. However, without a calculator, of course, because you know me, 17 minus 7, 17 minus 12, 17 minus 15. So I'm going to use a highlighter here to show you. S minus A is 17 minus 7. S minus B is 17 minus 12. And S minus C is 17 minus 15. And then, of course, don't forget S, which is 17. And I love doing this one without a calculator because I love prime factoring and finding pairs to break down my radical. 17 times 10 times 5 times 2. And look at that. I've got 10 times 10. Do you see the 10 times 10? I've got a pair of 10s. So I'm going to take the 10 to the outside. I get the square root of 17 left over. And that's 10 times the square root of 17 square feet. That's my area. That's an exact answer for the area. However, an approximate answer, if you put this into your calculator, 17, the square root of 17 is a little bit more than 4. a little bit more than 4. So 10 times a little bit more than 4 is going to be a little bit more than 40. A little bit more than 40. Now on a multiple choice, can you see how this would save you so much time? Just without having to break out your calculator. You can do 17 minus 7, 17 minus 12, 17 minus 15 faster than your calculator. Then you can put all that into your calculator. You can do this simple math faster. And here I'm going to write feet squared because some of you are used to writing it that way. Square feet, feet squared means the same thing. So 41.231 square feet. There's our area. Okay, here's one for you to try. There's one for you to try. Big numbers, big numbers. See how much you could do without a calculator. So see how much you could do without a calculator. I'm thinking it's not going to be too much, but you might get some prime numbers in there. So I'm going to work it out without a calculator. You press pause, see what you got, and I'm going to start going here. So we've got 43 plus 53 plus 72, all divided by 2. So that's 96 plus 72. 96 plus 72. Half of 96. Half of 96 is 48. Half of 72 is 36. So that's 84. So 84. 84 is our semi-perimeter. So our area is equal to the square root of 84 times 84 minus 43 times 84 minus 53 times 84 minus 72. So I've got an 84, I've got a 41, I've got a 31, and I've got a 12. Is that a 12? I could do the 41 and the 31, but then here I am, 82, that's a 12. And I've got a 12 in that 84. How cool is that? So I've got 7 times 12 times 41 times 31 times 12. So these two 12s, I'm going to have that 12 on the outside. Then I've got to multiply 7 times 41 times 31. 41 and 31 are prime, so 7's not going into either one of those numbers. So I've got 3 prime numbers. I'm going to multiply those together. 7 times 41 times 31. I get 8897. So that's kind of a weird number. I would say that no one's really going to be looking for this. However, you know, this is the exact answer. If I put this into my calculator, I'm going to get approximately 1,131.887 square inches. So if you got that, then you are good to go on Heron's formula. So pretty cool formulas here that allow you to do a whole bunch of work. You know, they use this in land surveying. We talked about that in the very first video with law of science. Whenever they're building anything, they're having to use this type of trigonometry all the time. Now, sometimes we forget that we've got these cool formulas, so we go back to our basic area equals 1/2 base times height, and we go the long way to find the area of a triangle. But remember, if you're given 3 side lengths of a triangle, this is how you can find the area. This is how you can do it.